This is Ben. Ben is responsible for connecting Punchout catalogues to the e-procurement system in his company's purchasing department. Ben would like to learn how to connect Punchout catalogues with the new functions in wescale and what steps are necessary for this. He already has a supplier in mind with whom he would like to establish a connection for a Punchout catalog. This is Olivia. Olivia is responsible on the supplier side for providing a Punchout catalog for Ben's company. She also wants to use the new possibilities in wescale to publish a Punchout catalog, even more easily and conveniently. Olivia and Ben are thinking about how to do it. The whole thing is new, and they have never done it before. What steps do I need to take? And how do I use the software to achieve what I want? WPS management answers the questions that Olivia and Ben are asking themselves as follows. Specific learning videos are provided for the individual target groups. One video for the buyers has the content. How do I create a company profile? And what do I have to fill in and how? Another video is about how to invite a supplier to the network. The next video shows you how to create an optimal content profile and what it is. Olivia, as a supplier, can also see how to create a company profile. And in a new chapter for the supplier, it is explained how a customer-specific Punchout catalog can be published. Ben sees in the dedicated video how he can subscribe to a Punchout catalog in order to use it. The joint video shows how both sides test the connection and finally release it. Once all these steps have been successfully completed, there are no obstacles for Olivia and Ben to work together successfully at wescale. As part of the planned training, we will regularly inform you about new training offers. Olivia and Ben look forward to see you again soon.